Here is the teardown of the Tesla high voltage coil. Apparent 100 kilovolt up to max 180 kilovolt DC driver. I get some more light here. We've got 120 comes in, goes right to this board. It's a little driver board, a little transistor on there, BT151-500R DHN211. So it's just a little MOSFET or something. And this rotary switch, or not rotary, it's got an on-off, and then there's a variable resistor at that point. And a couple little diodes and capacitors. And they got these two big power factor capacitors here. They're 450 volt, 8 microfarad. And they just basically go right into the board here. It's pretty simple looking. Coming out of the board is just two wires going to the switch, which flips the polarity. All it does is just flip-flop. I got a little inline fuse here coming right from the ground wire from the 120 going to the capacitor. And then it goes into this beast. It's just it's a primary secondary contained, it looks like. It's all encased in resin, so it must be a small primary in there and a massive secondary. This wasn't put together very well. The screws in the back were loose. There was a nut floating around in there, and this thing is pretty loose, so I'm going to try to tighten that up and put it back together. And then I'll show you what it looks like when it's running. There's the casing. Came with a aftermarket plug. So it looks like somebody built these and they're selling them. But stay tuned, I'll show you what it looks like in a bit here.